Nice city. Nice
very,
and cool.
very
Quiet.
peaceful, quiet.
Yeah, quiet.
I just
quiet.
came from KL today. It's
Yeah.
too crazy.
It's
you know?
too crazy,
Yeah.
of course.
I just want to learn what you're doing. So from that day onwards, I start doing it, and then I went to study in Australia. I was in Australia for 4 years.
Siapa
Siapa yang nyangka dia sekolah 4 tahun di Australia?
I love this city. I love the vibe. I love the people are so kind, and yeah, it's just been really blessed amongst my Muslim brothers and sisters here. Like to be able to see the mosque and meet so many kind people.
Assalamualaikum, Elsa di sini. Hai guys, hai semua, halo tetangga. Gimana kabar teman-teman semua? Semoga sehat selalu, semoga bahagia selalu, dan semoga hari teman-teman semua selalu good day. Selamat datang di channel YouTube Arsa Widianti Putri. Hari ini kita akan membahas tentang video dari channel Mayer Travels. Dia di video ini mengatakan, jadi ada beberapa hal mungkin yang tidak ditampilkan atau yang tidak diketahui banyak orang tentang Malaysia. Jadi kita akan melihat video kali ini, tapi sebelum dimulai video reaksinya seperti biasa, aku mau ngajakin teman-teman semua dulu untuk subscribe channel ini dan aktifkan lonceng notifikasinya supaya tidak ketinggalan updatean terbaru dari channel ini. Dan bagi teman-teman yang mau request, bisa banget DM di Instagram aku di @alsawidiantiputri. Yaudah, tanpa berlama-lama, tanpa membuang masa, jumlah kita mulai video reaksinya. Are you ready? Let's go.
Good morning.
Morning.
Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I am currently at the TBS, the terminal bus station. I'm headed out of Kuala Lumpur, and I'm headed to a city that a lot of you might not even have heard of in Malaysia, on the eastern coast of Malaysia, known as Kuantan. And I'm taking a bus. So let me show you guys what this bus looks like. I think we're boarding now. So this is the bus.
Oke, dari KLIA dia naik bus ke mana nih?
This one, I can put it here. Okay. Gotta put them down here. Here we are. This is. So this is what a bus looks like in Malaysia. And by the way, this cost me like $5.
$5.
On our way. It's about a 5-hour journey from KL to Kuantan.
Oh, mau ke Kuantan. Oh, oke. Apa sih yang tidak ditampilkan di Kuantan ini, guys? Kita akan mengetahuinya ya. Kuantan itu di ini ya, Pahang ya.
$5 for a ticket to go all the way there. So let's see. Should be a good bus ride. Let's make our way.
Kayaknya negeri-negeri di Malaysia nih nyaman banget gitu ya suasananya. Di Pahang kan, Kuantan.
My first time in this state, my first time in this city, and so far the ride was
Kuantan nih
absolutely beautiful.
banyak
Greenery
arsitekturnya
everywhere, as
guys,
Malaysia
banyak
usually is.
lukisan-lukisannya kalau nggak salah ya.
So nice, peaceful. It'll be nice to get
yeah.
away from KL, you know, to the
So ini
peaceful side, the
Kuantan.
eastern side of Malaysia. I have to get a Grab taxi, go to my
Okay.
hotel, put these bags down because they're weighing me down, cramping up my style. But you can see it's a nice bus terminal, pretty big. And you know what I have to say also, the weather feels a little bit cooler here, a bit breezy because we're right by the coast, so it's quite nice. But I'm gonna get myself a Grab and get on my way. Alright guys, let's start to explore
Masih
the
juga
city of
Kuantan ini.
Kuantan. I'm actually staying in this hotel
Oh,
called
kira
Sky
kayak
Tree Hotel, which is actually
nggak
costing
sebersih
me
Kuala
about
Lumpur gitu,
$20
tapi
a
ternyata
night.
bersih loh
And it's actually
Kuantan
pretty
ini.
nice, you know? Basic, normal hotel here in Malaysia, but for $20, I'm here. And honestly, the look of this
Tuh kan,
city reminds me
bersih
of
banget.
being in like Bandar Seri Begawan of Brunei. Very chill, or like Sarawak. This is how
Di
these
Kuantan
cities
itu
of
dingin.
Malaysia look. Once you get outside of like Kuala Lumpur and that stuff, usually have a very similar kind of vibe. But I'm actually need to go get some coffee, guys.
Wah,
Because you know your boy
Sebagai
Meyer doesn't
pecinta
function
kopi gitu
until
ya.
he has his coffee, and I really haven't had a coffee today. I took the bus here, and yeah, I'm actually headed to this one coffee shop that I just found on Google. But you can see
Tapi
it's
bersih
just a
banget
chill
loh ya, nyaman
city.
banget loh ya liatnya.
I love these cities of Malaysia, like the chill cities of Malaysia, where you know you can just kind of breathe and just take in everything. The
Terlihat
air
sih
is a bit cleaner here.
lebih
Like we're
clean.
right on the coast, you could feel the water. I'll show you guys the beach later as well. And yeah, it just it's always nice being in these kind of cities. But stay tuned, guys. We got a full tour of Kuantan coming. You know, just walking through these local neighborhoods here in
Tuh kan bersih banget weh.
Kuantan, and you can see
Bersih banget loh.
the street signs are obviously in their Malay
Lorong
language,
Haji
but
Ahmad.
they also have Arabic script. But I think it's Malay, but in Arabic script. And I love these old houses. So this city is like you could call it like a Muslim city, which most of Malaysia is dominantly Muslim. But
Nah, kalau ingin
you have
melihat
the
banyak
Chinese influence
rakyat
here as
Melayu
well.
ya di negeri-negeri lain gitu
Look
kan.
at those,
Kalau
the
di
two
Kuala
biggest
Lumpur
buildings.
itu udah bercampur
It's
gitu
so
kan.
funny to go from KL to this, where like KL has this insane skyline, and then here you can just see these two sore thumbs just sticking out amongst this flatter kind of skyline, or no skyline really. But I love these houses.
Bersih
Very
banget loh
nice.
rumah-rumahnya, cantik.
Just to show
Nyaman
you like
loh.
what a local residence area looks like.
Ya,
So one really
betul-betul.
interesting fact about this city of Kuantan is being so close to the coast and having a port. It's actually one of the most, if not the most
Pelabuhan di
important
Kuantan.
shipping port here in Malaysia. A lot of the copper tin that's extracted from the northwest of Malaysia actually comes here to the east, and it's shipped down to south to Singapore and other countries. So this city does have quite an important bearing on the country of Malaysia and its economy. Just taking a walking to this coffee place. Only Coffee, that's the name of this place. Only Coffee, and that's what we need. Only Coffee. I'm not sure where it is
Only
though.
Coffee. Apa namanya?
This is not Only Coffee. Oh, okay, here we go. Open Space Art Studio. Oh, it's an art studio.
Oh, satu
And a
tempat
coffee
dengan
shop.
art
Let's go.
studio. Kayak melepas sepatu atau sendal. Wow, cozy banget weh. Ih, enak banget vibesnya.
Hello.
Nanti kalau ke Kuantan
How are
aku
you?
mau kesini lah.
You good? The menu is here?
Kuku.
Is this a coffee shop
Yeah, coffee
and
shop.
art studio?
Our studio upstairs.
Upstairs.
Oh,
Oh,
di lantai
okay.
atas.
Okay. Can I have one iced cappuccino with a little bit of sugar? Yeah.
You can choose what beans you want. Lah.
Where the bean choice?
Yeah, but for now I'm only got marketplace and
It's a medium roast.
yeah, there's a medium dark.
Medium dark. Okay, that's perfect. Medium dark is
Peru.
okay.
This one Peru
This one.
or marketplace.
Yeah, I think this one. Which one do you recommend?
See your flavor. This one will be a little bit smoky flavor.
And
Ah,
this one will be
nati-nati.
more
Nutty.
nutty.
Aku suka
Okay,
tuh
I'll do the nutty
yang
one.
ada
Yeah.
smoky, natinya
And what's this? Tiramisu?
lebih strong
Super
gitu kan.
cheesecake.
Can I have one tiramisu, please? Yes.
Tiramisu.
Do you take
cake.
card or only cash?
Cash or QR?
Cash or QR only. Okay. How much?
28.
28.
We need receipt.
No need. No need. Alrighty. Thank you, brother. Is this your shop?
Yeah.
What's your name?
Tim.
Tim. Oh, very nice.
Tim.
I'm just making a vlog about Kuantan.
Oh, where you from?
I'm from America. Yeah. I make YouTube vlogs traveling around the world. So, what is special about Kuantan?
Kuantan.
Yeah.
About beach.
The beach. Very good.
Itu ciri
What's the
khasnya.
best beach in Kuantan?
Spesial
Teluk Cempedak
Kuantan.
or Puteh Beach Block.
Puteh Beach
Ah,
or
Teluk
Teluk
Cempedak.
Cempedak? Cempedak. I think I'm gonna go to that one. Yeah. Thank you. I'm gonna sit down here. Alright guys, so I got this coffee from Only Coffee. Looks really good inside of this glass cup, which looks like it's plastic, but it's actually glass. An iced cappuccino. See how it is. You know, this is the Meyer Travels official coffee taste test. I'm world-renowned coffee reviewer. Pretty soon they're gonna call me the Michelin of coffee. So
Tim kopi.
it means a lot.
Tim pecinta kopi.
Very good. And actually, this coffee shop just opened 2 months ago. So if you're here in Kuantan and you want to support good coffee, thank you so much. It's very good.
That's for you.
Very good. Oh, thank you so much. Appreciate that.
Enak kayaknya tuh. Tiramisu cake.
The coffee is very good. I think your shop will become very famous.
How can you find it here?
Huh?
How can you find it here?
I found it from Google Maps.
Ah.
Yeah, but I'm telling everyone in my video that if they come to Kuantan, they have to come to your coffee shop.
Promosi secara gratis tuh. Tuh kalian bisa lihat kan vibes Kuantan ini kayak adem, ayem, tenang gitu. Kotanya juga kota yang tertata dengan baik, dengan rapi gitu. Nih kalian harus ke ini sih, ke Kuantan sih guys. Jangan ke KL mulu guys, ke negeri lain juga guys.
And over here. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Wow, look at this
Kayak Masjid
beautiful
Biru.
mosque. This mosque is known as Masjid Negeri Pahang,
Oh, Masjid
also
Negeri
known
Pahang.
as Masjid Sultan Ahmad #1. And it is absolutely beautiful. Definitely one of the things that you should come and visit when you come to Kuantan. Assalamualaikum, brother. How are you, brother?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Good, good. Nice to
How
meet
about
you. Good. I'm just making a vlog about Kuantan. And I'm visiting this beautiful mosque for the first time.
Where are you from?
I'm from America, but my family is originally from Pakistan.
Then you came here
Campuran.
to do a vlog.
To do vlog and to explore. Yeah. Are you from Kuantan?
Yes.
What's special about your city?
About the city,
Yeah.
from my perspective, I think such a beautiful scenery, and it was a night, and you like walk for at the night, you'll see such a beautiful scenery. The people was nice,
Yeah.
so kind,
Ya terlihat sih.
and such a peaceful city, I think.
I agree. So far, that's what it feels like. Because
Yeah.
I just came from KL, and KL is very crazy.
Yeah.
So compared to KL, this is very peaceful.
Yeah.
Ya
What's your name, brother?
betul.
Ama.
Amma. Assalamualaikum,
Amma.
brother.
I'm
Nice to
17
meet you.
actually. I'm 17 actually.
17.
Yeah.
Oh, you're so mature, mashallah, for your age. Thank you, brother.
Yeah.
Thank you. I
Ber-17
can just
tahun
go in.
seumuran
Yeah, no
kita bang.
problem.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Okay.
Nice to meet you. Assalamualaikum. Wow, guys, look at this
Oh tuh
mosque.
negeri
So it has
ini
the
ya.
4 golden
Bendera
minarets,
negeri Pahang.
the blue dome, and it's huge. It's really, really big, actually. Way bigger than I imagined it to be honest with you. And this right here is the flag of Pahang State. This flag is the flag of Pahang State, right? Yeah. The white and black flag
Black,
represents
white,
the state
white,
of Pahang.
black.
I can show you inside.
Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. So do you often come here?
I used to be school here.
Oh, you used to go to school, like madrasa.
Yeah, like to madrasa.
Madrasa, very nice.
When I was
A young man. Still a
I
young man.
was 11, yeah.
11, okay. Very nice.
school here.
And it's named after Sultan Ahmed I, right?
Yeah.
He was one of the Sultan in Pahang State, or
Yes. In the Pahang. In the Pahang State.
Pahang State. Very nice. Wow, mashallah, it's beautiful. Assalamu alaikum. How are you, brother? Alhamdulillah. Thank you so much, bro.
Ramah-ramah banget kan
Wow.
orang-orang Kuantan Pahang nih weh.
I did not expect this mosque to be so big and so beautiful as it is, as you can see. It reminds me of some of the mosques that I've seen throughout Indonesia and Malaysia, and actually it's very
Setuju
well designed,
banget.
architecturally very beautiful. Sometimes mosques from the outside they're beautiful, but once you come inside they're not as nice. As you can see, this one is gorgeous inside and out, both. Assalamualaikum. Wow. Look
Masya
at this.
Allah, Masya Allah, Masya Allah.
One thing that's clear here, you can see like these the windows. They're very
Serba
distinct.
biru dan
And then
putih.
to have this blue dome on top of us is like amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. It's actually really wide and vast and big. And every detail, there's so many
Ini masjid
details
terbesar
throughout
di Pahang,
the
di
architecture, with the
Kuantan ya.
columns, with the mosaic tiles,
Masjid biru ini
with the
guys.
glass windows, just
Besar
absolutely
banget sih
beautiful.
ini, weh.
The blue carpeting. You can tell they put some money into this mosque. MashaAllah, it's beautiful. Wow. And it's nice and cool in here, so it's a good place to get away from the heat. I'm gonna make some prayer. Look at these big fans.
Jadi nggak
I have a lot of
kepanasan
fans,
gitu.
but and then they have a place where they do hotline nikah, so
Itu apa
you
tuh?
can see people are getting
Oh,
married
ada
here.
tempat akad
They're getting their
nikahnya.
nikah done.
Ih,
MashaAllah.
Masya Allah keren banget loh.
Assalamualaikum, brother. It's nikah.
Yes.
Are you part of the ceremony?
Kinda.
Just joining. Very nice. Who's getting married? Oh, those two. MashaAllah. Very nice. Very good. Are you married or no? Inshallah, you will be there soon.
I'm still young.
Oh, you're still young? How old are you?
21
Si
years.
muda.
Oh, bro, yeah, you have time. Don't worry. Inshallah, soon. Assalamualaikum. How are you guys?
Hello.
What's up? Where are you guys from?
From Egypt, from Syria.
Oh, very nice. You guys
Oh,
are
Syria.
visiting or you
Mesir
live
dan
here?
Suriah.
Oh, live here.
Yes.
Wow, look at that.
9
You have
tahun.
is there a lot of foreigners here or just like few?
Few.
You guys are one of the few.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Arabian.
A lot of Arab people, yeah. And so you're from Egypt
Yes.
and
From Syria.
Syria. Very nice, very nice. And what do you think about this city?
Kuantan.
Yeah, Kuantan.
Nice. Nice city. Nice
Very,
and cool.
very
Quiet.
peaceful, quiet.
Yeah, quiet,
I just
quiet.
came from KL today. It's
yeah.
too crazy. you
It's
know?
too
Yeah,
crazy,
yeah.
of course.
But
KL is
I do travel
crazy.
vlogging, like I make vlogs around
Mashallah.
different countries. So
Iya sih, kalau
I just like
dibanding
to
di
see
KL
the
sama
foreigners'
Kuantan ini
perspective,
jauh
you
lebih
know,
tenang di
on the
Kuantan.
place. So that's why. Yeah, what's your name, brother?
Ahmad.
Ahmed.
Ahmed also.
Mahir.
Masha.
Yeah.
Ahmad also.
Oh, Ahmed. Okay.
Oh, Ahmad,
Me, Mahir,
sama-sama
like
Ahmad.
Maher Zain, you know.
Mashallah.
Like you know, of
Yes,
course. Yeah.
of course.
So, you guys study here or work here or?
My father work here.
Ah,
I'm
okay.
studying in Johor Bahru.
Oh, okay.
Oh,
very nice.
ayahnya bekerja
Bahru,
di
that's
Kuantan, dia
Johor- no, Johor
sekolah
Bahru
di
is
Johor
south?
Baru.
Yes.
south.
Yes,
I never went there before, but inshallah, next time, you know.
Yeah.
After this, I will go to Kuala Terengganu and different places like
Mashallah.
more north. Yeah.
Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. Very nice to meet you.
Welcome.
Assalamualaikum.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So as you can see, there's people from different countries here. Although, like they said, there's a few foreigners, but they do exist. So that's cool to see, and to get their perspective. I think one word to describe this city would be peaceful. You know, for sure, definitely peaceful. It epitomizes peace. So I'm just walking through, and one thing I noticed is there's a lot of beautiful artwork along the
Nah, ya
side of the
kan?
walls
Banyak
as well,
banget,
like hand-painted murals.
art-art
Look at this
di
cool little street.
Kuantan ini.
So basically, this is right by the Menara Tower, as you can see. And if I go any further this way,
Menara
I'll
apa
end
itu?
up by the water there. So we'll go there in a second. But I just wanted to check out this cool little street here. Just a good vibe, honestly.
Wih,
Really,
bagus
really
nih untuk
small,
foto-foto di sini, weh.
small town, small city vibe, I
Foto-foto
should
di
say.
Instagram.
And everything is painted in these different colors to kind of just make the buildings pop out. Even though these are older buildings, there's a lot of beautiful artwork on them, just to kind of, you know, gives the city a nice charm for sure. 7-Eleven, of course.
7-Eleven. Ih,
So far, I'm absolutely loving it.
KTM,
Reminds me a lot
Kuantan.
of Sarawak, Miri. Yeah, has very similar vibes.
Kayaknya banyak pelukis dari Kuantan nih. Keren-keren
So I'm
loh
walking
lukisannya.
as close as I can to the tower. I don't think you can go up the tower.
Nah, ini dia sungainya. Sungai. Apa sih? Danau ya?
I think they do allow.
Pantai,
there's like
pantai.
I think there's maybe a zip line or something that you can do. Yeah.
Enak nih kalau lagi stres, healingnya kesini gitu kan, menikmati deru, suara angin-angin,
So you can walk
suara
along this
pantai.
boardwalk here, and there's a big Kuantan sign over there, like a Hollywood sign. It's so quiet, but so nice. And look at this, they got a F3000 powerboat. I think they do a powerboat championship here
Kejuaraan perahu
in
motor.
along the water here, I think.
Lomba waktu itu.
And this is one of the boats that was probably used. Powerboat. I always found that so cool.
Powerboat.
It's like F1 on the water, you know? And then yeah, I think they do
Oh, yeah,
allow
paham.
people to go up. But I'm good on that. I don't need to go up there. But if you wanted to go do a skywalk, you can do it. They have it. It's pretty cool. But I mean, skywalks are more interesting like when there's a view or some kind of skyline or something to see. But here you can pretty much see everything. It's pretty plain and flat. How are you?
Minum kopi lagi.
Good. I'm good, but I need a coffee.
Try coffee.
Yes. I hear you have the best coffee in Kuantan.
Who said that?
Google. Are you the owner?
No.
Ah, okay. All right. What do you recommend? Something iced.
I think the most popular one is gula kabong latte.
Gula kabon.
Gula kabon
What is that?
latte. Oh, palm sugar latte nggak sih?
The sugar is from palm tree.
Oh.
We're using the palm tree sugar.
Like local palm tree sugar.
Palm tree sugar.
And what is kabong?
The name is gula kabong.
Oh, gula is sugar?
Sugar. Kabong is
The palm.
local name for the palm.
Ah, very nice. Okay, yeah, I'll try that, but not too sweet though.
Alright.
Yeah. And it's what, 2 shots of espresso?
2 shots.
Perfect. Awesome. Thank you, bro.
First.
Here it is. My life. My life source.
Kopi is my life.
One straw, right?
Tapi jangan sering minum kopi ya, Wei.
All right, this is my first time trying this gula kabung. Let's see, the palm sugar.
Palm sugar latte.
Wow, it actually has an interesting flavor. You can definitely taste the bean of the coffee, but the sugar is not like typical cane sugar. Kind of gives it a nice twist. But the coffee is very good. If you're a coffee lover, you should definitely come and check this place out.
Okay.
It's right here, right by the Menara 188.
Oke,
And they have
nanti
really good
kita
coffee.
coba ya guys.
And how much is this one?
Rekomendasi dari
14 ringgit.
Mayer nih.
Walking along the street here and you have a bunch of guys just fixing shoes. Fixing shoes, huh?
Oh, di pinggir jalan Malaysia juga ada
Assalamualaikum.
penjahit sepatu.
Wow, I haven't seen like cobblers fixing shoes in a while like this. It's the old school way, man. No need to buy new shoes. Just come here and get them fixed. How long have you been doing
Ternyata
this?
sama juga kita ya, Wei.
I was in school at that time at the age of 15, right?
15.
And then I went to a place near the river.
Yeah.
I saw one old man. He was making sandals out of leather, right? So I was watching him all day, and then every day I came over, and then one day I asked him, I said, "Pachi, can I get a part-time job here?" He said, "No, no money to pay." So I said, "No, I come, I help you. I just want to learn what you're doing." So from that day onwards, I start doing it, and then I went to study in Australia. I was in Australia for 4 years.
Siapa yang
English
nyangka
is
dia
very
sekolah
impressive.
4 tahun di Australia?
Yeah, definitely.
Wah, kita nggak boleh
So you
salah
studied in
menilai
Australia?
background
I
orang ya
took the,
guys. Covernya kayak gini, ternyata
power
dia
station draftsman.
pernah sekolah di Australia.
For the electrical.
Yeah, for the
things,
electrical, okay.
then
Ah,
I can go on
kelistrikan,
too
Wei.
much for mathematics.
Bayangin.
Yeah. I was never good at math
Wow.
myself, you know? Yeah, I was never good at math. That's interesting though, man. You see, like,
Why don't you have a seat?
oh, thank you so much. Yeah, I'm just making a vlog. I'm making a video about Kuantan, so it's nice to just have like stories of locals who have interesting story. I think your story is also very interesting. You know,
Ah.
someone who's been around the world and you chose to do. I would say that you love doing this.
Yes, I do. I like to do things with my hands. You know, I like to do on woodworking and things like that.
Ah, okay.
Handle beating, spray
Okay.
painting, all
Very
sorts of things.
nice,
I
very
like that
nice.
kind of stuff.
So since you were 15, you've been doing
Yes.
this, and you're now 25, right?
No, I'm 63.
Tapi
63
nggak
years
kelihatan
old, guys, and
seperti
look,
umur
he looks
60-an,
like
kayak
look
umur
like a young man.
40-an
What's your
guys
secret?
angkelnya.
Just a bit of an exercise, you know, this here and there.
Definitely, yeah.
And then you don't have to worry about other people.
Yeah.
You had your own problem, I have my own. I can go to bed myself.
Just enjoy your life.
Yes, correct.
Enjoy
and
your life.
I do what I do now is as a hobby.
Itulah enjoy
So you don't need to
your
do it.
life
If
gitu kan.
I take it as a job, then I have to go.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
See, what I do is I go travel around the world and I make videos, right? And a lot of people think like, oh, it's easy, you know, your life must be easy. Nothing is easy.
No,
Iya,
nothing is
Everything
nothing is
requires a little
easy.
bit of
Betul
work
banget,
and
setuju
hard work.
banget.
But when you
Perlu
love
ada
something,
usaha.
it doesn't feel like work,
right.
right? There's people who do jobs just to make money. That's gonna feel like work
Yes.
because you're never gonna enjoy it. But when you do something that you love, you will really, really appreciate it and
Yes,
love your life.
correct.
Betul,
Yeah.
setuju banget.
So that's a lesson, man. Take the lesson from. What's your name, brother?
My name?
Yeah.
In Australia, they call me Kelly Romero Pesiliano, but in
Wih,
in
ada
Malaysia,
nama
my name is Muhammad
Australianya
Muhammad
juga.
Ali. Wow.
Oh,
like the
Uncle
boxer.
Ali.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Meyer.
Mile. Pakistan.
Pakistani.
Right.
So I'm originally, my family is from Pakistan, but I was born in America.
Oh, good.
So I'm just like, you know, a little bit of both.
No worries, no worries, man. No worries.
It's a pleasure talking with you, Mohammed. So guys, if you're ever here in Kuantan and you want to get your shoes fixed or just have a good conversation, you can come sit with Mr. Muhammad Ali and he'll give you some wisdom. What a nice gentleman. An amazing story. We just sat down, even off the camera, had such a nice conversation just to hear the stories of locals and people. Like, so touching, so nice. But right here in the middle of the city, not far from the water, they have this clock tower and this huge flag, and that black and white flag, again, that's the flag of Pahang State. Very interesting flag. But yeah, they have this water. I think usually they have some like fountain show or something, and then nice place to just kind of walk. But guys, I'm hungry now, so I'm gonna go get some food. Finally gonna go get some food. Let's go do that.
Makan, makan. Makanan
Alright, guys,
tradisional
so,
khas
being how
dari
close we are to the
Kuantan
water,
ini kayaknya nih.
One of the special foods in this city of Kuantan is any seafood, really. But one of the places that I've been told by locals to come to is known as Jaman Tori.
Jaman
Is this place
Tori.
right here.
Oke,
Jaman
dicatat
Tori,
ya,
and you can
Jaman
see.
Tori.
It's super busy.
Oke,
So
oke,
we're gonna
oke.
come here
Ih, rame weh.
and we're gonna try some local food.
Jaman
I
Tori.
don't know where we have to go in. This way. This is it. Jaman Tori. And this place is a famous place. Jaman Tori Signatures.
Jaman Tori.
Assalamualaikum. So you can see. Assalamualaikum. How are you, brother? This is Jaman Tori.
Yeah.
Okay. Can I sit down here?
Sure.
Huh?
You already register, sir?
Huh?
You already register?
I didn't register.
How many of you, sir?
Just me.
Only one?
Yeah, just me and my camera. Sure, thank you. Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam, sir.
How are you, brother? Better to sit here or sit there? Okay,
Sure.
perfect.
Okay.
Thank you. So what is your special food here? Somebody told me that you have ikan
Patin bakar. This one. You got patin bakar.
patin bakar.
bakar.
Or patin gula tempoyak.
Okay.
And then
Oh,
this one
patin
the
gula
daging salai.
tempoyak.
This one tempoyak, you know, we use the durian paste.
Durian paste. This one, patin tempoyak.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one?
Yeah, just I think this one is too big just for
Yeah,
me.
you don't want
so,
to go.
so probably go with this one. Set
Set
patin
one. How about
tempoyak.
the drink?
So what is it? It's which kind of fish?
Patin.
Patin
Yeah.
with durian kind
Durian
of.
paste.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Very nice.
Okay.
A little bit
Kalian
spicy.
suka durian pasti
I
suka
don't
tuh
mind
tempoyak.
spicy.
Aku
I like
nggak suka.
spicy.
This one we come together with the white rice,
Okay.
ulam and sambal tempoyak.
Awesome. Thank you. And
Okay.
and for drinking, you have some.
This
Oh,
one, sir?
so many. Okay, let me look at this and then I'll let you know. What's that?
I order you a food first.
Yeah, perfect. And then I'll let you know. Thank you. Thank you so much. All right, guys. So we're gonna try out this patin tempoyak. Apparently, it's a local, kind of more local dish. So it's durian. So it's a very, for those of you who don't know what durian is, I mean, you haven't been to Southeast Asia or Malaysia. It's a kind of the stinky fruit. I'm not sure how it will go with fish, but let's try it out. That's why we travel. That's why we try different foods. So here we have it, guys. This is the fish.
Piringnya
with
aja
the
piring
durian
rumahan
paste.
ya. Vibes
Very
rumahan
interesting.
banget
They
ini.
give you a little bit of vegetable, and of course you get some rice. You can definitely smell
dia
the durian
kuahnya
taste.
Ini ya, nggak terlalu
Very
kental
strong
gitu
smell
kayak kuah
durian has,
pindang
but
gitu.
I don't think they use like a full durian, or else this thing wouldn't be eatable. But very interesting. Let's see. First, I want to try the soup. So this has a little bit of a. You can definitely smell the durian.
Strong nggak tuh baunya durian? Apa rasanya?
Wow, it's definitely spicy. Very strong in durian. But you know what? I'm not the biggest fan of durian. But actually, this has like a nice, just the right amount of durian. I think. Like I think a little bit more than this would be too overpowering. Let's try it with the fish. Obviously, you got to be careful of the bones. Try it with the fish. Take some soup. Try some rice.
Simple ya, simple masakan.
You know, I wasn't expecting it to be this delicious, to be honest. I was expecting maybe overpower of durian, but I feel like it's just the right amount.
Seimbang.
And the
antara
spice kind of
durian dan
balances it out.
bumbunya.
So having the spice with the flavor of durian and some other herbs, amazing. Food is done. That was amazing. And the meal cost me, with the drink and the meal, cost me about like $8, which is really good.
Worth it sih,
It's a nice restaurant too, as you can see.
$8. Itu berapa ringgit?
So if you guys are ever here in Kuantan and you want to try some very local, interesting food, come to Jaman Tori. All right, guys, the meal was amazing. What a day, what a trip so far. It's been here in Kuantan, Malaysia. I love this city. I love the vibe. I love the people are so kind. And yeah, it's just been really blessed amongst my Muslim brothers and sisters here, like to be able to see the mosque and meet so many kind people. I met a few people who actually watch the channel, which is pretty cool. And yeah, probably another video coming from here soon, so stay tuned. More Malaysia videos coming, guys. I'm trying to show you the eastern coast, the undiscovered places here in Malaysia. So make sure you guys tune in, check in. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button. It's free, it doesn't cost you anything. And remember, continue to learn, continue to grow. And there is no growth until you leave your comfort zone. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Oke, dari video ini banyak banget pengalaman, cerita, dan juga rekomendasi tempat-tempat yang wajib dikunjungi ketika ke Kuantan. Nah, menurut aku di video ini adalah kita bisa melihat sisi lain dari negara Malaysia, salah satu negerinya, dimana di Kuala Lumpur kita tahu kehidupannya seperti apa, segila apa. Salah satunya cerita dari Uncle tadi, guys, Uncle Muhammad Ali. Ternyata dia punya background pendidikan yang luar biasa banget. Dia pernah menimba ilmu di Australia selama 4 tahun. Siapa sangka gitu kan, kalau di sini namanya tukang sol, tapi dia mempunyai latar belakang pendidikan yang luar biasa banget. Nah, itulah kita harus memiliki pemikiran yang positif ya guys. Kita tidak boleh menjudge sebuah cover. Di balik itu kita nggak tahu kehidupannya seperti apa. Sama seperti Uncle Ali tadi, ternyata dia di balik bekerja sesuai dengan fashion dia, sesuai dengan apa yang disukai. Ternyata dia juga mempunyai background pendidikan yang luar biasa yang orang lain belum tentu punya gitu. Itulah, kita memang harus mengenal dalamnya dulu ya guys. Jangan hanya menilai dari covernya aja, dari luarnya aja, tanpa tahu cerita dalamnya seperti apa, cerita latar belakangnya seperti apa gitu. Kalau nonton videonya dari awal sampai akhir, pasti kalian setuju kalau Kuantan ini adalah salah satu negeri yang nyaman banget, yang tenang banget, yang damai banget. Pengetahuan dan pembelajaran juga sih untuk aku. Jadi aku juga bisa melihat sisi lain dari Malaysia, sisi lain dari negeri-negeri yang ada di Malaysia yang mungkin banyak orang yang nggak tahu, dan akhirnya ditampilkan sama Mayer ini guys. Jadi terima kasih sekali lagi untuk Mayer Travels udah publikasikan video seperti ini. Kalau Mayer nggak publish, kita juga nggak akan tahu kan bagaimana suasana Kuantan, bagaimana orang-orang di Kuantan, dan terasa banget sih vibes damai Kuantan itu di video kali ini. Apalagi kalau mengunjungi secara langsung gitu kan. Untuk video kali ini cukup sekian. Bagi teman-teman yang suka sama video ini, jangan lupa untuk like, komen, dan subscribe. Dan kita ketemu di next video. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.